Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a reliable power supply for your NuFACE Trinity facial skin toning device, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 7-volt AC/DC adapter, which is compatible with various NuFACE models like the 4197, 4322, and 4164, as well as other brands like Keerda. But does it measure up? Let's dive in. This 7-volt AC/DC adapter is designed to replace or serve as a spare for specific facial toning devices, and it offers a global input voltage range of 100 to 240 volts, making it ideal for use internationally. It's built with overvoltage OVP, overcurrent OCP, and short circuit protection SCP to ensure safety during use. In terms of output, it delivers a steady 7.0 volts at 0.8 amps, which is adequate for powering your device effectively. The adapter also comes with a cord, making it a straightforward replacement for those in need of a compatible power source. When it comes to real-world use, I found the adapter to be quite simple to use. Just plug it in, and it gets your device powered up without any hassle. The cord is long enough for convenient use, and it fits securely into the power port of the NuFACE device. One thing to note though, this adapter is not compatible with 5 volts models, so it's essential to double-check your unit's specifications before purchasing. If you've bought it for the wrong model by mistake, be sure to verify compatibility beforehand. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: universal compatibility with several NuFACE models and other compatible devices, making it versatile for different users. Global voltage support, which is perfect for those who travel frequently. Built-in safety features, such as overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection, providing peace of mind during use. Cons: limited to 7-volt models, so it won't work with every device out there. No additional features beyond basic power supply capabilities, making it a straightforward, no-frills option. When it comes to value for money, the 7-volt AC/DC adapter performs its intended function without adding unnecessary extras. At its price point, it offers solid performance and reliability, particularly for those who need a replacement or backup for their facial toning devices. However, if you're looking for a power supply with additional features like smart charging or faster charge times, you may need to explore other options. Compared to other power adapters for beauty devices, this model stands out for its safety features and universal voltage compatibility, which is something many competitors lack. However, it does fall short in versatility, as it's tailored specifically for 7-volt models, whereas some alternatives offer compatibility with a wider range of devices. Build quality-wise, this adapter is solid. The materials used feel durable, and it functions as expected without issues. As far as longevity goes, I haven't had it long enough for long-term testing, but given the built-in protections, it should last a decent amount of time. Customer support wasn't something I had to interact with for this adapter, but it's worth noting that the brand does have a decent reputation for offering reliable products, and there are plenty of customer reviews that back this up. If you're in the market for a power supply that does the job and does it safely, but don't want to break the bank, this is a good option. However, if you're looking for a more high-tech, multi-purpose adapter, consider alternatives like those from well-known brands specializing in universal chargers for beauty tools. So, what's the final verdict? The 7-volt AC/DC adapter is a solid choice for those needing a basic replacement charger for specific NuFACE devices. It gets the job done and ensures safety with its built-in protections. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but if you're in the market for a 7-volt adapter, this is a reliable pick. If this review helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other NuFACE users can find this video. Got questions or already using this adapter? Drop a comment below. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic, and remember, stay fabulous till next time.